everybody, and welcome to
Hey Kids, Let's Draw.
Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Hello, Ava. Are you excited to draw today? What are we going to draw?
A turkey.
A turkey for what holiday is coming up?
Fall?
For fall. Do you remember the word Thanksgiving?
No.
Have you ever heard of Thanksgiving? Yeah? Well, Thanksgiving's coming up, and it's a time that we eat turkey dinner sometimes with our family, huh? Here in the United States. And maybe other places in the world. But do you like turkey?
I like the animal of it, but my favorite animal is a flamingo.
It's a flamingo. We'll have to do a flamingo drawing. Do you like pie? No, you don't like pie? Well, we're gonna see how you eat on Thanksgiving with pie and turkey. Maybe it'll just be a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Anyway, thanks for joining us today on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We're gonna draw a turkey for youngsters. Okay, everybody, welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We're gonna do an easy turkey for Thanksgiving. So, first we're gonna get our black markers. You can use a Sharpie marker or any type of black marker, and we're gonna do right in the middle. Watch me first. We'll do a big circle. Can you do a circle right in the middle? Good work. That looks awesome, Ava. Good job. Okay, and then behind this circle, we're gonna do kind of an egg shape, kind of an oval. So we'll start here in the middle. We'll do a kind of an egg that touches.
It looks like a snowman.
Kind of looks like a snowman. You're right. We're stacking shapes. Okay, good. This is kind of the chubby body of the turkey. So down here, we're gonna do 2 feet. We're gonna go down, 1, 2, 3.
I do it like this.
That looks good. Let's do another one. 1.
I finished. These look like a penguin feet.
It kind of looks like a penguin. Good job.
I like these feet.
Those feet look like penguin. Okay, let's do some wings. So over here, we'll just do connect from the head to the body. Good. We'll do another one over here from the head down to the body. All right, let's do some big not leaves, but what are they called? Feathers. Turkey feathers for the tail, huh? So right in the middle, we're gonna do 1, and we're gonna do another one over here. Ready? 2. Let's do another one. 3.
These are hair.
They're like hair, huh, for a turkey. 4. And we'll do a little one. 5.
I finished.
Good. Let's do some more on this side.
I'll do. I finished.
1.
I finished on this side. I finished on
2.
this side.
My black marker is running out. I'm gonna get a different one. Okay. 2. And a little one. Good. Now in the middle, well, let's do, in this head, we're gonna do a circle on the side, a big circle.
I want to do a dog.
Okay. And we're gonna do another one. A big circle.
Mine's going to be a scary one.
A scary turkey for Thanksgiving?
No.
We just got done with Halloween. Let's do a beak. Should we do a beak? So right here in the middle, we'll start, go down.
I can do
All the way
I'm
around.
going to do I'm going to do this square.
Dot.
I'll do a square one.
Good job.
This one looks crazy.
That looks fun. I like it.
It looks funny.
Let's do the, what do you call these? The turkey gobbler chin thingies. 1, 2. And now let's finish the eyes. We'll do a circle inside the circle.
I already did that.
Oh, you did the dots?
Yeah.
Okay, let me catch up. I'm gonna do a big
I
white
I'm
dot.
going to make mine crazy.
Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna color mine in black real quick.
I'll color the white parts out.
Okay, I leave the white parts like as a highlight reflection.
No, I'm just putting it like this.
Our turkey looks excited for Thanksgiving. Okay, so we have the outline to the turkey. We're gonna color this. Should we color it? Okay, say fast forward.
Fast forward.